I am back again, my people. We are talking about this party issue. Some of the things that some people do at parties that they are not supposed to be doing, especially at Nigerian party. Let's talk about the issue of food. When it's time for food, they will tell you, the MC or whoever we announce, that when they call your table, that is when you should get up and go get your food. But my people will not listen. There are some chronic people that when they tell them to sit down, that is when they will be getting up and go and join the queue. They are causing kata 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 up and down. If you know you are hungry before you come to a party, eat at home. Is it by force? Please, next time when they tell you sit down, we will call your table, sit down. You are blocking road for other people, okay? Wedding guests, please adjust accordingly. Nonsense. Goes to some of those special people at parties, especially at Yoruba parties. The celebrant has not said that you should be recognized, but you show up to another person's party and you want to be recognized by force. You go and tell MC, I am the cousin to the in-law of the uncle of the grandfather to the bride. Recognize me. You want to sit on high table. Uncle and auntie, all those recognition is not necessary. The only recognition you need in your life is for God to recognize you. If the angels of God do not recognize you, it does not matter how many recognition you get at the party. It is foul. You understand? Don't come and be causing tantrum because the DJ did not recognize you or the MC did not call your name. You are not the chairman of the occasion. Okay? Just maintain humility, humility, as a matter of fact. Stop shebe ojere. Go and auntie, well done, no? Only you attend another person's party and you bring your playlist to the party. You will not allow the DJ to do his job. Every minute, Mr. DJ, play Mark Morrison. Mr. DJ, play Salawa Abeni. Mr. DJ, play Wasiu Ayinde. Mr. DJ, Oliver the Coke. Mr. DJ, give us the band. Only you. Every time you are just asking the DJ. Let the DJ do his job. The DJ has been paid to do his job. It is not in your place to be asking DJ to play, to change song up and down. It is not your party. You understand? It is not your party. So next time you go to a party, enjoy yourself, dance to whatever the DJ is playing to. And if you want to become a DJ, you too go and buy turntable and be waka wiki waka. You can mix anything you want to mix. Hopefully you find somebody to hire you. Don't go to another person's party and be requesting for song up and down. You are not the party owner. Shebo, don't do that next time. Stop shebe. Oshisko.
Is that penalty or throwing?